Imagine a retail company collecting data from customer transactions and online interactions. Without data governance, this data could become chaotic and insecure. With a robust framework, the company sets clear policies, classifies data, applies security measures, manages media rights, and uses data catalogs and lineage trackers. This ensures data accuracy, protection, and effective use for business decisions. Data governance helps organizations comply with regulations, protect sensitive information, and make informed decisions, building trust in data and enabling insights, AI systems, and confident decision-making. When you manage data in your organization, data governance gives you the structure to do it responsibly, securely, and efficiently. It's not just about compliance, it's how you ensure your data stays accurate, protected, and useful. With strong governance, you create clear rules and responsibilities that let you trust your data, use it confidently, and scale without losing control. You start with policy documentation. These policies define how you collect, store, access, and share data, and who's responsible for each part of that process. You assign data owners to oversee data quality and data stewards to maintain standards and resolve issues. For example, if you're handling customer transaction data in the EU, you might need to store it only on local servers to comply with GDPR. Your policies make that expectation clear and enforceable. Next, you need to classify your data. When you label data as confidential, PII, or internal use, you make it easier to manage risk. You can use tools like Microsoft Purview, Bigid, or Google Cloud DLP to automatically scan your systems and flag sensitive data like credit card numbers or health records. These tools can trigger real-time actions, such as encrypting the data or restricting access, based on your classifications. To stay compliant, you also need to govern your databases and storage systems. You do this by applying field-level encryption, setting up role-based access control, RBAC, using data masking, and maintaining audit logs. For example, when you store healthcare data, you make sure it's encrypted at rest and in transit, and you track who accesses it to meet HIPAA or other regulatory requirements. If you work with media, images, videos, or licensed documents, you also need media rights governance. You manage these assets by embedding metadata, controlling how long they're available, and restricting who can use them. Tools with digital rights management features help you avoid legal issues and protect your brand by preventing unauthorized use or accidental overexposure. You bring all of this together using data catalogs, metadata tools, and lineage trackers. These platforms let you see where your data comes from, how it flows through your systems, and who's using it. That visibility helps you enforce rules automatically and scale your data operations with confidence. You don't want to wait until something goes wrong to realize you need governance. Think of what happened to Uber in 2016. They didn't secure access to user data properly, and it cost them millions in penalties and lost trust. In contrast, companies like Capital One and Airbnb build governance into their data workflows from the start. They monitor usage in real time, enforce policies through automation, and protect their customers and reputation in the process. When you build data governance into your operations, you gain more than compliance. You gain control. You can deliver insights, power AI systems, and make decisions with data you trust, while keeping your organization secure, ethical, and future-ready.